Hi, and welcome to CMIC CMO USA. My name is Toby Williams. I'm Senior Director of Business Development for CMIC clients in the U.S. CMIC is a contract development and manufacturing organization. We're focused on manufacturing drug product to supply clinical trials as well as commercial projects. The facility is focused on manufacturing oral solid dosage. That includes tablets, capsules, oral powders, as well as oral liquids. We're using a variety of manufacturing techniques, including wet granulation, dry granulation, and fluid bed granulation. The facility is located in Cranbury, New Jersey, which is in central New Jersey. We are about 10 miles east of Princeton University, and we're about midway between Center City, Philadelphia, and Manhattan, New York. The manufacturing facility is quite large and has been in operation for quite some time. We are adjacent to the New Jersey Turnpike, very close to exit 8A Jamesburg. Here's an overview of the facility. We are manufacturing GMP drug product here in the green boxes, and these long suites down here, this is our packaging suites. So 69 manufacturing suites for GMP drug product, 12 packaging rooms for the packaging of final product. We also have a warehouse for a substantial amount of storage. We have these purple suites here for doing development of small batches in a quasi-GMP environment. The gold box here is our analytical lab, and then off to the side we have another GMP warehouse for the storage of DEA-controlled substances. Manufacturing facility has been operating since 2007. We have double width hallways, and a lot of our manufacturing suites have double doors. This is so that we can move equipment in and out of the facility as needed. We also have our packaging rooms equipped with a number of windows so that operators can operate inside the facility and auditors can see from outside. Facility has a substantial amount of GMP warehouse space, which is available for incoming drug substance as well as the outgoing drug product. We are comfortable working on development projects, so we can start a formulation development from scratch. We would be able to use a dry process such as this V-blender. We are also comfortable with wet granulation, such as using this diasna high shear granulator. Also have significant amount of experience working with fluid bed granulation. Fluid bed systems can be used for granulating or drug layering. Drug layering is when you start with a bead and then add a layer of active ingredient and then add a layer of modified release material. So this gives you a lot of control over modified release, controlled release drug products. Very comfortable making these materials in tablets or in capsules. Here we're watching the tablet compression of a FETI system. We also have the ability to make bilayer tablets. So bilayer tablets can be very helpful for controlled release of one layer immediate release, one layer controlled release, or we may want to do one layer of active and then another layer of another separate active. So this is our Kikasui bilayer tablet press. We also go large when we're ready to support commercial manufacturing and phase 3 supply. This is our full-size Freund vector fluid bed system. We have several different capsule fill machines. This one can do up to 200,000 capsules per hour. If that's too much capacity, we have another system that can do 40,000 capsules per hour. If we would like to do any coating on the tablets, we do have tablet coating machinery available. These systems are configured to run in either aqueous or organic solvent. So that organic solvent can be very helpful when we're doing any kind of functional coating, particularly enteric coatings. We do have the ability to manufacture the capsules using a dosator system. Here is the Ramaco Macafar dosator. CMIC has made a substantial investment in continuous manufacturing. We have partnered with FETI, and they have installed a continuous powder blend system as well as tablet compression. This offers a lot of advantages for a company that needs to supply a large amount of material. Here is a picture of the continuous powder system that is currently in operation at CMIC. This has been operating since June of 2025. We have done several placebo runs, and we've actually started several active product runs as well. Continuing our deep partnership with Freund, we have also installed a twin screw granulation system that also runs on a continuous basis. Of course, manufacturing drug product is only part of the solution. We also have significant analytical lab capabilities, including our dissolution systems, which are fine to prove dissolution performance for any tablet capsule material that is made. We also have a significant number of HPLCs available to test for purity. We also have an LCMS triple quad, which is useful for doing nitrosamine analysis, as well as any kind of impurity identification that we may need. Once a drug product is fully released and is ready for packaging, we can offer packaging on site. So this is our blister pack system. The blister pack can work with hot form or cold form. We also offer a bottle packaging line. We can do bottling, apply labels, do caps. We also have track and trace availability for all of these systems. One thing unique to CMIC is that we do quite a bit of powder material that is not necessarily compressed into a tablet or loaded into a capsule. These can be delivered as loose powders, and they can be then packaged in a packet or a sachet. This can be very useful for anyone that needs to deliver a powder packet that needs to be reconstituted bedside by the patient or sprinkled over food. Very helpful for a lot of pediatric applications. Of course, CMIC relies on a tremendous amount of talent to make everything work. Here we see department team leaders from quality, packaging, manufacturing, engineering, formulation development, and project management, all working together to give a tremendous amount of contact and communication to our clients during the course of the project. The facility is located in central New Jersey, and we often host tours. We're available to do audits for quality teams, as well as technical tours for anyone that may be interested to see the capabilities firsthand. CMIC CMO USA is part of the CMIC Group. This is a rather large organization based in Japan that is very well known for their clinical capabilities. CMIC also operates a bioanalytical lab in Chicago that is available to support all types of clinical trials. For more information about CMIC, please visit our website. We are constantly acquiring new equipment and adding new capabilities.